Back at breakfast story for brunch. Oopsie. Thanks for leaving the door open for me, man. Hello.
Shot latte.
No, I'd never tried strawberry with coffee, so I wanted to try that out.
Alright, so let's go.
Or we can do the massage tomorrow.
Oh, bon appetit. That's also nice.
You can do without it.
Okay, I'll have that one.
Breakfast done. Quick trip. Oh. Quick trip to 7-Eleven. Brap, brap. And we back at 7-Eleven.
Oh, yes.
So as it turns out, Navin's in Bangkok as well. He's on his way to Vietnam, Da Nang. So they're catching up. Probably get a quick beer together in Thailand before he goes his way. Third country together, huh?
Yeah.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, man.
Well, that was the farewell beer for Navin. Heading back to the Airbnb. Quick shower. I need to wash my hair. Pack my bags because tomorrow we are headed to Hybrid for our training. Looks cloudy and overcast. Perhaps it will rain tonight again. Well, like I predicted, it's raining. I just got out of the cab. I'm trying to locate the OG Carnival store because I really want that NASCAR t-shirt before I head out to meet Fly for dinner. It's funny that in all the time I've come to Thailand or Bangkok specifically, I've never come to this area. I think I came the one time, but that was post 9 p.m. and I think this entire place shuts at 9. Okay, it's coming down heavy. Better put my camera in. How much? Should be okay, I think. Little more? Little more? Oh. Okay, thank you. Kapun kam. Cheers! Chin chin! I don't know how to react. I didn't get you getting pictures of the thing. Full service and all of that. Oh, thank you.
Very professional.
Yeah. All the different angles of lighting. You're getting a shadow in it. Huh? Letter from Coco. Oh, cheers. Cheers. Oopsie. I will just record this for 3 friends having fun together, all on their own phones. Oops. Sorry. Go for it. Dinner and cocktails done with Klai, Tang Mai and Muk. Now I'm waiting for my grab bike. Then I head back, meet Bijoy, go get a massage. Before we then pack up and leave to where we're going? Thai bread. One of these should be mine. Honda PCX 160. Yeah. Sorry. It's 1 a.m. Finished a massage. I'm done packing my bags. Just heading to 7-Eleven to get some water. I got a Thai milk tea flavored candy and also a chocolate mint, I guess. Okay, first one off the block is the Thai milk tea, of course. Oh, it's already melted. Just that walk back from 7-Eleven to here. It wasn't even a long walk. But the insides of it smells like it. Really good. Really good. Now I'm trying that minty chocolate thing. It's peeped out a little bit as well. I don't think it will top the Thai milk tea though. It was nice, but Thai milk tea hands down. Checking out of the Airbnb, everything in pristine condition. Bags there and there. Access card left behind. I just need to store my bag somewhere because we need to go to a temple, but my host isn't responding. And I can't be lugging that big suitcase around, can I? So, I'm gonna try and figure out. About 3 minutes. Man, the stretch has so many cafes and restaurants. It's like a old Chinatown, but they maintained the heritage and yet modernized it. So many options. Mango with sticky rice. This is pad Thai. What? Something chicken. One more dish? Yeah. Okay. He is, after all, his father's son. So they have to eat everything. I can see it piping hot there. Anyway.
I'm used to it.
Yeah. Your palates are busted.
Super spicy.
That was the problem we had in China, when we'd see some restaurant, you can't search for reviews. There'd be one review of some American who went back and reviewed or whatever. Is that considered tough in Motor City?
Sarcastic.
Yeah, same. This looks like it's gonna be fiery hot.
Spicy and nice.
Lunch has been consumed and now we are walking to this one restaurant that does mango sticky rice. And oh wow, should be it.
Let's do that.
Scan the QR code, I guess. It'll open a. Where's his bags and all? Quick pit stop on our way to Sam Roi Yot for Thai bread. Unfortunately, we wanted KFC, but KFC is shut. We wanted Thai milk tea. That's closed too. Nice monsoon, rainy weather. One chai would have been nice, not a chai. I'm gonna keep my voice low, but this is Thai bread. That's the pool right there. And quick room tour. This is us entering. Our bags out here. We've got a fridge, a double bed, cloth rack, desk, and the toilet. Not too bad, eh? Not too bad. I gotta unpack. Keep stuff ready for tomorrow because we're gonna start at 6 a.m. Somebody's been knocking on my door. I wonder what's going on. Who are you, huh? Who are you? Who are you? Okay. Go on. Come on. Let me go to sleep. Don't bite me. Just a big boy, no? You wanna play, huh? So the first meal has arrived. I ordered a pork chop, some handmade wedges, sauteed mushroom, and if I remember right, I chose lime and chili sauce. That's the dinner for tonight. Must have gone cold by now because we arrived late. It has gone cold by now. Yeah, coming in, or should I come there or? Chinmay showering is sir. Hmm?